If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Airbnb subscription, follow these straightforward steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Airbnb website or open the Airbnb app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture icon in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access Subscription Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option related to subscriptions or payments. Click on this to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Within the subscription settings, locate the option for auto-renewal. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the change. Step 5. Review confirmation. After disabling auto-renewal, check for a confirmation message or email from Airbnb to ensure that your settings have been updated successfully. This will provide peace of mind that your subscription will not renew automatically. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Airbnb subscription and prevent any unwanted charges in the future.